Hi, students. Las Golondrinas is a song that's about the swallows returning to San Juan Capistrano. That date's coming up pretty soon. March 19th is St. Joseph's Day, and that's the roughly the time that the swallows return from a similar mission in Argentina. They return to San Juan in March. And there's always a scout swallow that comes first, and then the rest follow. San Juan Capistrano, in that week, will have a parade, the Las Golondrinas parade. The church will have a big festival, and everybody will wait patiently for those little birds, those beautiful little birds, to come back. And they form cone-shaped nests. So this song is a slow song. It's in Espanol, pardon my Espanol, but it's a really fun song. It's also known as the adios song. I think mariachis will perform this at funerals. I've actually heard it in a Catholic church funeral. I was surprised to hear it because it's just a very famous bolero. But this is the makeup of it. I'll play. You notice that the chorus repeats. I won't repeat it. And I'll take it at a very slow pace. Now, it's in 4/4. And I really think the strum, let me, so you have D, and A7th. A7th is like an A minus the middle finger, and a D. And it's very slow. This is going to be at 50 beats per minute. And let me get back to the tune. And it starts off with pickup notes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, sing. A donde ir velocidad la golondrina que de aquí se va así en el cielo te mira está ya sin paz ni brillo que la dio partir. Juntas mi pecho harás salida en donde pueda la estación pasar. También yo estoy en la región partida, el Señor Santo y sin poder volar. And then it repeats. So you don't play for the first three words here. Again, the piece from the top. 1, 2, 3, ready, sing. A donde 2, then 2 measures. Vina que de aquí se va. Wow. Pardon my Espanol. That's the essence of the rhythm of the melody, the notes that are held, and then you kind of catch up, and then that's the strum though. That was 50 beats per minute. All right, we'll look at it more in the lesson.